Here we'll determine the total factory overhead to be charged for the small lamps. When considering that, the Bonington Company manufactures small lamps and desk lamps. The following shows the activities per product. And small lamps, we have 4,000 units. Setups, 4,000. Inspections, 5,000. Direct labor hours, 6,000. Desk lamps, 8,000. 16,000 setups, 7,000 inspections, and direct labor hours of 20,000. Using the information prepared by Bonington Company, determine the total factory overhead to be charged to small lamps. We have our activity pool with the budgeted amounts and activities. We can make our calculations for the cost to be allocated to each one. For the setups, we have $80,000 and an activity base of 20,000, so we'll have a $4 rate for the setups. For the inspections, we'll take the 132,000 and we'll divide that by the 22,000 hours or inspections, and that will give us a rate of, looks like 545. Let me double check that calculation. We go 132 divided by 22. Now I got $6, so I plugged that in wrong, so let's fix that. So 132,000 divided by 22,000 equals 6. Next, I'm going to figure out the direct labor hours, which is 416,000 divided by 26,000, and that equals $16. So there I have my rates for each of the activities. If I'm now looking for the small lamps, we can take the small lamps and consider how much is being consumed. We have the small lamps are consuming 4,000 setups, 15,000 inspections, and 6,000 direct labor hours. So I can continue with my calculations. I'll take the $4 times 4,000, and that will equal $16,000. I will also take the 15,000 inspections, multiply it by my $6, and that gives me $90,000. Finally, I will consider the 6,000 direct labor hours at $16 per hour. And that's $96,000. So if I add all of these together, I'll have 16,000 plus 90,000 plus 96,000, and I will have $202,000 allocated to the small lamps. Now I could figure out, I could continue farther and consider how much per lamp. I would then take the 202,000, divide that by 4,000, and the cost per lamp would be $50.50 per lamp. Now it didn't ask me that, it asked me the total cost, so 202,000 is the correct amount.